Welcome. In this video, I will cover what Astra database is, how it compares to Apache Cassandra, and why you should consider using Astra database over Cassandra. If you're interested in my Introducing NoSQL video, click the link in the top right portion of the screen. One of the key differentiators between Astra and Cassandra is that Astra is a managed cloud service built on Apache Cassandra. That means you get all the power of Apache Cassandra NoSQL database with none of the operational overhead. No provisioning servers, no configuring nodes or data centers or racks. No hiring Cassandra and network experts to monitor and maintain your database over time. It will take all of 2 minutes to create your Astra database, a fraction of the time it would take to provision nodes on your cloud provider and then install and configure Apache Cassandra. I know it's hard to believe, but it really is that simple. However, I'm sure that will lead to many questions.
What about scaling?
Astra scales automatically. There is no scaling policy to define. DataStax has implemented industry best practices and technologies for scaling Astra database to meet the needs of the current load. Just as importantly, Astra will automatically scale down as load decreases.
What about when it's not being used? How do I turn it off to stop the charges?
Unlike other cloud services, Astra database is consumption-based. That means if it's not being used, it's not accruing charges. This is not only ideal for many production applications where demand may vary significantly each hour. It's also ideal for non-production environments like development and staging, where your system may see no use at all during a weekend or each evening.
How can I connect to it?
Astra provides a large number of connectivity options for your applications, from native drivers to document, REST, and GraphQL APIs. We also support gRPC for highly performant API calls. Furthermore, you can use a variety of open source tools if you prefer a desktop experience.
Can I store JSON documents?
Yes. With the Document API, you can easily store and access information in JSON format. Furthermore, you don't need to read the entire document if you just need to access a specific section. You can directly read and write to specific sections of your documents, thereby greatly reducing read-write access times and data costs.
What about the latency?
Astra database adds on average 3 to 5 milliseconds to each read and write, assuming that your applications are located in the same region.
Who's using this in the real world for production workloads?
Priceline uses Astra for their online bookings. Barracuda Networks uses Astra for their advanced threat detection microservices. And Ankeri, a global supply chain leader, uses Astra to track shipping information globally. We are also used by global convenience stores, cruise lines, and anyone that needs to read and write data quickly.
Is there a free trial?
Yes, each month you get $25 of credits in Astra. That's enough for 80 gigabytes of data storage plus 20 million read and write operations. That $25 is refreshed every month. You don't even need to enter your credit card.
How do I get started with Astra?
Simply go to astra.datastax.com and create your free account. Then you can create a database. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain.